Have you ever found yourself mesmerized by a dancing flame? The way it moves, almost as if it has a life of its own, can be utterly captivating. The way it flickers and glows, captivating your attention entirely. This simple act of watching a flame can draw you into a state of deep contemplation and serenity. This ancient practice, known as Trataka in Sanskrit, harnesses this very power of focused gazing to illuminate the path within. Trataka is more than just a meditation technique. It is a doorway to self-discovery and inner peace. Trataka, meaning to gaze, is a yogic purification technique that involves fixing your gaze on a single point, traditionally a candle flame. This practice has been used for centuries to help practitioners achieve a state of mental clarity and heightened awareness. More than just looking, it's about cultivating a deep, unwavering concentration, stilling the mind's constant chatter. In our busy lives, our minds are often filled with endless thoughts and distractions. Trataka helps to quiet this noise, allowing us to focus on the present moment. As you delve deeper into this practice, you'll find it transcends the physical act of seeing. It becomes a meditative journey that takes you beyond the surface into the depths of your consciousness. It becomes a gateway to heightened awareness, mental clarity, and a profound connection with your inner self. Through regular practice, you can develop a sense of inner peace and balance that permeates all aspects of your life. Trataka is a journey of self-discovery. It's about exploring the inner landscapes of your mind and soul, uncovering hidden truths and insights. It's about unlocking the power of your mind by first learning to master it. By training your mind to focus and remain still, you can tap into its vast potential and achieve greater mental and emotional well-being. Through the simple act of gazing, you embark on a transformative journey towards inner peace and spiritual awakening. Each session of Trataka brings you closer to a state of harmony and enlightenment. Are you ready to kindle the flame within? Embrace the practice of Trataka and discover the profound benefits it can bring to your life. Let the flickering flame guide you on a path of self-discovery and inner peace. The beauty of Trataka lies not only in its simplicity but also in its profound benefits. This ancient practice, practiced for centuries by yogis and seekers, offers a wealth of rewards for both the mind and spirit. One of the most immediate benefits is improved concentration. In our fast-paced world, distractions are abundant, making it increasingly difficult to focus. Trataka acts as a mental workout, strengthening your ability to concentrate and enhancing your attention span. As you practice, you'll notice your mind becoming calmer, less prone to wandering. This newfound clarity extends beyond your practice, positively impacting your daily life. Imagine approaching tasks with laser-like focus, effortlessly navigating through distractions. But the benefits of Trataka extend far beyond just improved focus. It cultivates a deep sense of inner peace, reducing stress and anxiety. By calming the fluctuations of the mind, Trataka allows you to tap into a wellspring of tranquility within. Ready to embark on your Trataka journey? This ancient practice, rooted in the traditions of yoga, is a powerful tool for enhancing concentration and calming the mind. The beauty of this practice lies in its simplicity. You don't need any special equipment or advanced techniques, just a candle and a quiet space. Find a quiet space where you can sit comfortably, undisturbed. This could be a corner of your room, a dedicated meditation space, or even a peaceful spot in nature. Place a candle at arm's length, ensuring the flame is at eye level. This positioning is crucial for maintaining a steady gaze without straining your neck or eyes. Begin by closing your eyes and taking a few deep breaths, relaxing your body and quieting your mind. This initial relaxation helps prepare you for the focused practice ahead. Now gently open your eyes and gaze at the flame, avoiding blinking. Let your gaze be soft and steady, as if you are looking through the flame rather than at it. Focus your entire attention on the flame, observing its shape, color, and movement. Notice the way it flickers and dances, and let yourself become fully absorbed in this observation. Initially, your eyes may water and your mind may wander. This is perfectly normal. It's a sign that your eyes and mind are adjusting to this new form of concentration. Gently guide your attention back to the flame each time it strays. This gentle redirection is a key part of the practice, helping to build mental discipline. As your gaze strengthens, gradually increase the duration of your practice. With time, you'll find it easier to maintain a steady gaze without blinking. Start with a minute or two, allowing your eyes and mind to get used to the practice. Gradually work your way up to 5 to 10 minutes. Consistency is key, so try to practice Trataka daily for the best results. Once complete, close your eyes and visualize the flames after image. This after image is a powerful tool for deepening your concentration and inner awareness. Hold this image for as long as you can. The longer you can maintain this visualization, the more profound the benefits of your Trataka practice will be. While Trataka's simplicity is appealing, incorporating a few key tips can significantly enhance your experience. Firstly, consistency is key. Aim to practice daily, even if it's just for a few minutes. Regular practice yields the most profound benefits. Secondly, create a conducive environment. Choose a quiet space where you won't be interrupted. Dim the lights to minimize distractions and enhance your focus on the flame. Thirdly, posture plays a vital role. Sit comfortably with your spine erect, ensuring your body is relaxed yet alert. Proper posture facilitates deeper concentration and prevents restlessness. Lastly, approach the practice with patience and gentleness. Don't be discouraged if your mind wanders or your eyes tire easily. Trataka is a journey, and like any journey, it requires time and dedication. Embrace the process and you'll be amazed by the transformative power of this ancient practice. Before embarking on your Trataka journey, it's essential to prioritize eye care and practice safely. If you have any pre-existing eye conditions, consult your ophthalmologist before starting. They can advise on any necessary precautions. During practice, avoid straining your eyes. If you experience any discomfort or pain, stop immediately and rest your eyes. Remember, Trataka should be a comfortable and enjoyable experience. Blinking is natural and necessary. While the goal is to minimize blinking, don't force your eyes open. Allow them to blink naturally when needed. After your practice, gently splash cool water on your closed eyes. This soothes the eyes and helps relax the eye muscles. While Trataka offers numerous physical and mental benefits, its true power lies in its spiritual significance. In yogic traditions, Trataka is considered a powerful tool for spiritual awakening. It's believed to activate the Ajna chakra, also known as the third eye, which is associated with intuition, insight, and spiritual vision. By calming the mind and purifying the senses, Trataka allows you to access deeper states of consciousness. It helps you connect with your inner wisdom, unveiling the hidden truths within. The flickering flame serves as a metaphor for the divine light that resides within each of us. By focusing on the flame, we are symbolically focusing on that inner light, seeking to merge with it. Trataka, therefore, becomes a journey of self-discovery, a path to realizing our true nature. In this section, we delve into the profound impact that the ancient practice of Trataka can have on our mental health and overall well-being. In today's fast-paced world, our minds are constantly bombarded with information and stimuli. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, we are surrounded by screens, notifications, and endless to-do lists. This constant stimulation can lead to stress, anxiety, and a feeling of being overwhelmed. Many of us find it difficult to switch off, and our minds are perpetually racing, trying to keep up with the demands of modern life. Trataka offers a powerful antidote to these modern-day ailments. This simple yet profound practice involves gazing steadily at a single point, such as a candle flame, which helps to focus the mind and bring about a state of deep relaxation. By calming the mind and reducing mental chatter, Trataka helps alleviate stress and promote relaxation. The act of focusing on a single point allows the mind to let go of distractions and enter a state of stillness. The practice cultivates a sense of inner peace and tranquility, allowing you to navigate the challenges of daily life with more ease and grace. Whether you are dealing with work pressures, personal issues, or the general hustle and bustle of life, Trataka can provide a sanctuary of calm. Studies have shown that Trataka can be beneficial for managing symptoms of anxiety and depression. Research indicates that regular practice can lead to significant improvements in mental health, providing a natural and effective way to cope with emotional difficulties. Its ability to quiet the mind and promote relaxation contributes to a greater sense of well-being. When the mind is at peace, the body follows, leading to improved physical health and a more balanced life. Furthermore, Trataka enhances emotional regulation. By training your mind to focus and remain present, you become less reactive to external triggers. This means that you are better equipped to handle stress and maintain your composure in difficult situations. By training your mind to focus and remain present, you become less reactive to external triggers. This practice not only helps in managing stress, but also in improving concentration and mental clarity. This enhanced emotional resilience empowers you to navigate challenging situations with greater composure and clarity. With regular practice, Trataka can become a cornerstone of your mental well-being, providing you with the tools to lead a more balanced and fulfilling life.